Okay, you can hear me, right? Okay, fine. That's fine. Now, uh, you know that last Thursday, did you come to the Blackboard? Did you try to log in the Blackboard last Thursday, last class?
Yes, Doctor.
Yes,
But
doctor,
it
but
was
it
not.
didn't open.
Sorry.
It didn't open because it was
Yes.
like
Yes. Also, I have faced same problem. I couldn't log in. And did you receive my email after that?
yes, we got it.
Yes, so I sent the email that the Blackboard is not working. Maybe I will come to you later on, but that time didn't work. Anyway, we will make up that class, no problem, inshallah. Now, today we will start our lesson again, and if you don't forget that what we are teaching. Okay, let's start the. We are doing chapter 2. Can you see the screen? Hello. Can you see the
No,
screen?
no, we don't, Doctor. Yes, now we do.
Okay, fine. Now we start our lesson. Then yes, thank you. What I remember, maybe we have finished there, right? We have finished this one. We have finished that problem. Which problem? We have finished some problem example. This problem, and then maybe I left it for you to do it. I left it for you to do it. We discuss something, right hand rule, Cartesian vector, right? I discussed this also. This also. Angle. Did I discuss this? Remember? Can you remember? I think we discussed this also, right? Cos alpha and the cos beta and cos gamma. I think I discussed it before, and I also discussed the Cartesian vector. This also discussed, I think. Yes. Okay. Little bit I will repeat now because I will just repeat the something. We'll repeat it some little bit. Okay. Little bit right here. Right hand rule. We discussed the right hand rule. And what we learned that time? We learned that uh, if very briefly I will review, right? If this is a force or vector A in x and y direction, and if we consider the z direction another direction, then our vector is going to be described like this way: ax, ay, az. Forget about this picture. Forget what I have. Usually, when 3D in this book or in this course, x-axis will be denoted in this direction, y-axis is this direction, and z-axis is the vertical direction, like this way. Now unit vector we described before also. Unit vector, what is unit vector? Unit vector is a if a vector is working at one vector a, then unit vector of a equal to vector a divided by absolute value of A. And for x-axis, I told you before, unit vector for x-axis is I, for y-axis is j, and for for z-axis unit vector is k, right? Then a vector we can write in this way: ax, we can write ax, a vector we can write ax into I, ay into j, plus az into k. Then magnitude we can write, we can find how we can find ax square, ay square, az square, and root over ch, right? I think we discussed it before. Okay. This one, unit vector equal to ax divided by, remember, ax divided by a into I, ay divided by into j. What is this? Okay. Then unit vector. Now unit vector, if you want to find out in terms of the vector, then unit vector formula is this. Unit vector formula is this. Okay. Unit formula. But if you want to find that with respect to angle, with respect to angle, unit vector, this is the another formula, right? And from trigonometry, you should know cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 1. What is this? This is the angle, right? If it is our vector A, so this is the one angle, this is another angle, and this is the another angle. This triangle, alpha, beta, gamma. So cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma will make 1. And this is the another formula, another thing. So this was. Now, if there is a force, resultant force, the concurrent force system, for the force resultant is the vector sum of the all forces in the system. Force resultant force in the system. So FR resultant force is equal to summation of all the forces into summation of the Fx of all the horizontal force, summation of all horizontal force into I, summation of all vertical force into J, and summation of all Zx, all force in the Z axis into K. Now we are going to do one example, right? Express the force F. Express the force F. Express the force F as Cartesian vector. This force as a Cartesian vector. This is written as a 200 Newton force is given, right? 200 force is given there, and now here is alpha is this one, beta is maybe this one, it's essentially beta, and gamma is given. Now question is, write this express as a Cartesian vector. Okay. All right. Do you understand the question? Do you understand the problem? What is asking? Any student? Anyone? Reply please. Hello. Answer please.
He wants it AY, is it like this?
They asked what they asked. They asked the question. The force 200 Newton force, right? Yes. They asked the to write in terms of the IJK. In terms of IJK, like the force. This force we have to write down F equal to, suppose x some value into I plus y some value j plus some value z into k. This one could be like 100, this one could be 200, this one could be 300, we don't know, but like this example is this 200 force is given, 200 force, but they are right as in terms of the vector. Vector means, as example, 50i plus 500j plus 200k, something like this. Now, how do we do this? This is our question, right? This is our question. Do you everyone have calculator with you, pen, pencil, and paper?
Yes.
You all of you have this. Okay. Now go back to the formula. Go back to the just the formula we just learned here. We just learned a formula. You see what formula we have learned there? We have learned a formula here. Here you see this formula. We just learned this formula. This formula. Okay. This formula we learned here, right? We write down that formula there. What is the formula? F equal to, instead of 0 a, so we can write down F equal to what? Can you tell me? Vector F equal to F into cos alpha I plus F into cos beta j plus F into cos gamma k, right? Can you please answer, please? Yes or no? Yes, you can write down, right? We can write down. We know this one. Everyone clear, right? Everyone clear. This is the formula we learned. This is just formula we have. We write down there. So equal to we can write down f into cos square I, cos alpha I. Okay, cos alpha, right? Here is alpha. Then cos we can write beta. Beta is how much? Beta is 60 degree. So 60 degree into j plus cos gamma equal to how much? 45. 45 degree into k. Right? Can you write down this one?
So beta is between.
Beta. This is the beta. This is the beta. Okay. This is y, not y and z. Y, axis y, and the force, the angle between. The angle between what is okay. If you're not clear, I delete it, and this is important. So I start from the beginning. This is very important, right?
Doctor, just one question. For these
Sorry?
angles, are they fixed?
Yes, angle are fixed. It's given. It's given in the
Gamma,
question.
beta are fixed.
Sorry.
Yeah. I mean, in all questions, gamma, beta, and alpha are they fixed?
Yes, fixed. Yes, they are the
So we
fixed.
need to know their positions.
They are fixed. Okay. All right. Now they are fixed. Now your question. I answer your question here. Here. Okay. Here. Where is the our alpha? Alpha is, please understand, otherwise it will be difficult. This is the x-axis, right? X-axis and the force F. So angle between x-axis and force is alpha, and angle between the y-axis and the force is beta. Beta equal to 60 degree. Alpha is not given. We don't know what is alpha, and the z-axis and the f, this is the 45 degree angle, this is the gamma, right? So we write down, and we write down here, so f equal to 200 is given, f equal to 200. So we can write cos alpha I plus cos 60 degree means beta 60 degree into j plus cos 45 degree means gamma here into k, right? We can write down this one. Now we can solve very easily. Our problem is done. Simple. Problem is done. Okay. Can you write down for me the answer? Just 200 cos our the question is solved already. 200 cos alpha I is given plus, do the calculation and tell me how much. 200 cos 60 degree is equal to how much? Tell me quickly. Hundred, right? 100. Let me check. 100. Everyone correct? Everyone 100? Okay. So I write down here 100 J. And for here, gamma, how much gamma? 141.2. Another answer 141.2. Everyone saying okay, fine, thank you. I accept it. Yes. Accept is correct. Right? Okay. So 141.44 or something. 141.4. This is the answer, right? Okay, our answer is done. Our answer is now okay, done. What is the answer? Look, I am writing here rough. I am writing, it is not clear. So in your pen and paper, you must have to write clearly so that at the later you can understand. Okay, 2 cos alpha I plus 100 J plus 141.2. Oh, sorry, 41.4 J gamma, right? So this is the something they ask from us. Now my question is our problem is finished or still we have to do something? Someone tell me. Is finished or we have to do something? Tell me.
What is alpha?
Sorry?
Alpha.
Yes, we haven't finished yet because we don't know what is alpha, right? What is alpha? We have to find the value for alpha. Okay. Now how to find the value of alpha? Okay. We have to get alpha. Yes, correct. Now we just learned a formula: cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 1, right? Gamma equal to 1, right? We know this one. Tell me please. We know this formula is correct or not? Correct. Okay. If it is correct, then we can write down. So cos square alpha, we don't know what is the value of alpha. So cos square 60 equal to beta plus cos square gamma equal to 45 degree equal to 1. Now solve this one. So only unknown have alpha. So tell me how much equal to alpha. Now tell me. Do the calculation and tell me. $109.47. Okay,
Like
answer. Sorry.
cosine inverse of half.
No, you give me the answer. I don't understand my question. Tell me again, please. Hello. Again, please.
I said cosine inverse of half. It will be 60.
No, first tell me how many answer you will get from here. 1, 2, 3. How many? Tell me.
Yeah, 2 because we have minus half.
2. Yes. Why 2? Someone answer, please. Why 2? Answer is correct, but someone has to tell me why 2. Please. Look here. Here we have a square, right? Here a square. Here we have square. Here we have square. So we are solving for cos alpha. That means cos will have actually alpha will have two value. plus and minus. Two value will be there. Now, how much value you got? You got from there? Tell me. Someone has given me answer. Let me check. What is the answer? Two value. Yes, fine. Two value. You have to write two value. But what is the result? Cos alpha equal to? Tell me, please. Please tell me your answer, please. I'm waiting for you.
Doctor, 60 or 120?
Sorry, 60, right?
Yes.
And
One. Yes.
now I am giving you the attendance. Okay. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Answer me, please.
Yes.
Okay. If you see the screen, you find yourself. I put everyone absent. Okay. I put everyone absent. Now, if you are, look, tell me. Sometimes it's difficult for me to read your name. First one, Muhammad. I don't know. You are here or not? Muhammad Habis. Quick. If you are not here, I put absent. Abdul Aziz.
Yes. No. Muhammad Habis.
Muhammad Habis. Okay. So I don't put you absent. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
First, I put everyone absent. Mean everyone absent. Okay. I put everyone absent. Then I'm going to ask you name. Then I will unclick. Otherwise, you will be considered as absent. Something writing. You are writing something. I can't see. Let's check. Okay. Yes. I have 53 students. Very too much. Okay. Look, I cannot read Arabic, so you see your student number and then you check from there. Okay. So Muhammad Habis, right? Okay.
Yes.
Abdul Aziz. Abdul Aziz here. Okay. Kamil Hussain Ibn Al Halal.
Yes, I'm here.
Kamil, right?
Yes, doctor.
Please tell everyone. Tell me your correct name because I cannot read Arabic. So
It's
Muhammad Abdul Aziz.
Kumail, doctor.
Sorry, Kumail.
Yes.
Kumail. Okay, Kumail. Next time maybe I will write. I will tell you correctly. Okay, Kumail. Next, Abdul Aziz Ibn Hussain Zafar, right? Here, Abdul Aziz Ibn Hussain Zafar. Okay, I put absent. Muhammad Ahmad bin Abdul Rahman Dugan. Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
You say me yes because I yes. Okay, Abdul Aziz Dugan. Okay. Muhammad Yusuf bin Muhammad Sakar. Muhammad Yusuf. Okay. Muhammad Sami
Yes,
bin Ibrahim. Muhammad Sami bin Ibrahim.
Yes.
Okay. Muhammad Sami Muhammad Sulaiman. Yes. Okay. Sulaiman is not here. Muhammad Abdullah ibn Ibrahim Hamid. Muhammad Abdullah ibn Ibrahim Hamid. Absent. Ahmad Tahir bin Ahmad Haddad. Ahmad Tahir. Absent. Abdullah Muhammad bin Abdullah Muhammad bin. Look, you are here or I put all absent. Abdul Malik Khalid bin Abdul Aziz. Saleh Muhammad. Saleh bin. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, Doctor. We can hear you.
Sorry.
Yes, we can hear you well.
If you hear why you are not responding, so I put all absent like this. Number 11, Abdullah Muhammad bin Abdullah. You are here or not? Okay. Abdul Malik Khalid, absent. Saleh bin Saleh, I don't know what is then. Umar Abdul Aziz. Umar Abdul Aziz, Abdul Malik Khalid. Why so late? Umar Abdul Aziz. Umar Abdul Aziz.
Yes, Doctor, I am here.
Look, I will put absent. I don't know. If you are too late, I will just put absent. Abdul Rahman. Who is that Abdul Rahman? Abdul Rahman. I don't know where is Abdul Rahman. Umar Abdul Aziz. Umar Abdul Aziz, yes. Abdul Malik Khalid. Abdul Malik Khalid. So you are late. Next time I will put you absent if you are so late.
Okay, Doctor.
Okay. Ali Abdul Mohim. Maybe who is there? Ali?
Yes, here. Yes,
Okay,
here.
thank you. Yes. Muhammad Ali ibn Ahmad. Muhammad Ali ibn Ahmad. Next, what is this? Isa Abdullah.
Yes,
Here.
yeah.
Yahya Abdullah.
Yes, Doctor, yes.
Okay. Muhammad Sami bin Ahmad. Yes, thank you. Yes. Then next one, I don't know. Tell me name. Mahna Walid ibn.
Yes,
Muhammad.
Doctor. I'm here. Yes,
Muhammad, right? Muhammad.
yes, Doctor. Muhanna.
Yes, I cannot read Arabic, so you tell me the correct name. Muhanna Walid ibn Muhanna Al-Tabar.
Yes, of course.
Okay, where is Muhanna? Here, Muhanna. Okay. Then next one, Muhammad Jamal, Talal al-Jamal. Yes, okay, Talal al-Jamal. Saud Usama ibn Ibrahim.
Yes.
Tell me your name, full name. Saud Usama ibn
Saud
Ibrahim.
Swayg.
Sorry?
Saud Usama Swayg.
Suai. Okay, anyway. Hussain Ali ibn Hussain Alawi.
Yes.
Okay. Faris Fahad. Faris Fahad ibn Faris. You are here? Okay, I put absent. Abdul Hadi ibn Jabbar.
Yes, Doctor. Present. Yes. Abdul Hadi
Yeah,
Jabir Hizam.
Okay. Abdulillah Fahad bin Saud. I put absent. Okay. Then Abdul Hadi Abdulillah Ali Jawad ibn Hajil Haddad.
Yes.
Here. Okay. Hussain Abdullah ibn Bakir.
Yes, I'm here.
Hussain Abdullah Bakir. Ahmad Imad ibn Ali Muhanna. Yes. Good. Abdullah Saud. I don't know this. Tell me what is his name? Abdullah Saud ibn Abdurrahman, right? Yes. Abdullah Saud ibn Abdurrahman. Ahmad Dida. Tell me your name. Ahmad. Ahmad, tell me your full name. Muhammad Saleh ibn Saleh. Hussain Jawad ibn Hussain Abdullah. Ahmad Abdul Rahman. Ahmad Abdul Rahman.
Yes, Ahmed Abdurrahman.
Then Faraz
Yes,
Fadil. Okay.
class.
Abdullah Saleh bin
Here,
Abdullah.
doctor.
Yes. Yes, Doctor, here.
Okay. All right. Said Muhammad ibn Said. Said. Abdullah Umar ibn Muhammad.
Yes, I am
Abdullah.
here, doctor. I am here.
Yes. Abdullah Ibrahim. Abdul Munaim. Abdul Rahman ibn Abdullah. Abdullah Said. Umar. Muhammad. I don't know. Muhammad after that. What is this? After that, I don't know. Tell me. Shaman Saleh.
Doctor,
Yes. Shamsan Saleh. Okay. Yes.
6274, Omar. I am here.
6, 2, 7, 5. This one, right? Yes. Given. Yes, thank you. I given. Umar Ahmad ibn Umar. Umar Ahmad ibn Umar. Jamal. Kamal Ashraf. Kamal.
Here.
Umar Usama. Abdullah. Musa Muhammad Isa.
Yes, here.
Umar Usama given. Musa Muhammad Isa given, right?
Yes, here.
Okay. Abdul Rahman Sabihi. Abdul Rahman. Abdullah Saeed. You're here or not? Dr. Saleh Utaibi, I am here. I'm asking Abdullah is there or not? 264. Okay. So I am asking again that if you are here, don't respond now, I will put absent. Abdul Aziz. Muhammad Abdul Aziz. Okay. Muhammad Yusuf ibn Muhammad Sakhar. Muhammad Yusuf. Muhammad Abdullah. Ahmad Tahir. Abdullah Muhammad. Who is that? Ahmad Tahir. You are too late. So why you are so late? Saleh, you are here. Again, why are you absent? I asked you many times, right? Muhammad Ali. I put absent. Faris Fahad. Abdulillah. Said Muhammad. Umar Ahmad bin Umar. Abdullah Saeed. Look, who is here? I did not ask your name. Look, I'm going to put you absent. All right. Tell me, who are you here? Umar Ahmad bin Umar. Umar Ahmad bin Umar. Why you are so late? Which one you? This one? Okay. Anyone else? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, I should have only 3 absent, but here I found 6 absent. Tell me, Abdul Aziz, 991, 385, Muhammad Yusuf, Muhammad Abdullah Muhammad, Muhammad Ali, Said Muhammad, Muhammad Abdul Said. Okay, I confirm. So you are absent. So I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. Now we come to our lecture. Tell me, what is the result? Alpha value, how much you got? How much you got? Tell me. Very quick.
60 and 120.
60 and 120. Fine, thank you. That's the correct answer. That's the correct answer. That should be like this. There should be 60 and 120. There should be 2 answers, but there should be 2 answers mathematically. Remember, mathematically it will be 60 and 120. But answer can never be 2, right? Answer can. Look, my writing is not good. So can never be, can mathematically, because it is 2 here. It is second degree equation. It's called second degree equation, right? That's why we know we will have 2 answers. One is 60, 120. Both is correct. Mathematically correct. Mathematically both is correct. Mathematically both is correct. Right? Mathematically both are correct, but practically it can never. Practically can never be two angle, right? Only one angle is possible. Practically impossible. Well, 2 angle. Now tell me, which one will be here correct answer? You have to choose one, 60 or 120. 120. Okay. Anyone else? Tell me please, which one should be correct answer? $60. Okay. Any other answer? I want at least one more answer. Okay, 3 answer. Okay. 60 or 120? 120. So you become 2 group now. One group is saying it is 120. One group is saying 160. So the group who is telling 120, tell me your reason why. Abdullah Saleh.
Positive direction, not negative direction for x-axis.
Second quadrant. Tell me why you have chosen 120. Answer could be yes or no, both. I don't know, but I ask you why you have chosen 120. You said second. Someone said Muhammad Abdullah ibn Ibrahim, you said I'm here. I'm sorry, but already I put already absent. Now, someone said 120, right? Why? Again, tell me please, why?
Doctor, because we use right hand rule.
Okay, and someone said it is 60. Tell me why. Who said 60? Tell me why. Hassan Jawad, tell me why 60?
Because we use positive direction, not negative direction. We use cosine positive 0.5.
Now, look, now one answer is correct, of course. One answer is correct. Now, which one is correct? I show you. You check. You see here. What happened? Yeah. You see here, right? Here, you think that if something 100 more than 90 degree, like I draw this one, okay? How much here? Tell me. You have to hear how much? Tell me.
90.
So if it is 120, what I have to do? I have to go that side, right?
Yeah.
120, I have to go that side. That means if I start from here, so I have to draw this here, and I have to go outside of this one. It will be then 120, right? But it is not possible. It is not possible because my axis is here. So that means angle will be 60 degree from observation. It's called eye observation. Its name is eye observation. From the observation, observe just from your eyes. You see what is this? I have no sound for some reason. I try to leave and enter again. Muhammad Abdullah, sorry. Now I cannot do anything. If you don't have sound, you can write down yes or no, but I already put the absent. Now I cannot change. I'm sorry. What is your student ID? Tell me. Muhammad Abdullah Abdurrahman. Tell me your ID. Okay, clear? Everyone clear why it is 60? Everyone clear? Tell me. Oh, someone asking why 60? Why 60? I just tell you, I just explain now why 60. Because if it is 120, then the force will go outside of the axis. Outside of the axis. I draw it again. All right. We can draw in two ways. Look here. Here, from here to here, if it is want to go there, it go there like this. 120, if it will go the outside of the axis. So it cannot be outside the axis. That's why it will be 60 from eye observation. Eye observation means you see by your eyes. Then you will find that. Now clear why it is 60? Abdul Hadi. Kawan Ashraf. Now I am asking Abdul Hadi. Abdul Hadi said yes, clear. If it is clear, then we have still little time. Then finish our problem here. Just write down. Here it was 200. So 200 cos 60 degree I plus 100 J plus 141.4 gamma is our answer. Okay. Tell me answer, please. Please answer me. $100, yes, correct answer, yes. So our answer is, our final answer is how much? Our final answer is here. I write down here 100I plus 100J plus 144.4K. This is our final answer. Okay, Dr. Ahmed, I saw some problem. 991. Okay. I don't know what we can do for the absent student, but I will try. Okay. Okay, our problem is finished here. So any question you have, tell me please. Any question you have? So here is our end of this lecture today. Next day we will do the review and next new problem. But this is your question answer time. We have still some time. Okay. Please let me know if you have some question.
Doctor.
Yes.
Should we study all the examples in the board?
Yes. No, all related example, right? It is. I show you one day in your blackboard already. Given, right? Already in your blackboard already practice problem given.
These are exercises problem.
Look again. Don't be confused here. Everything I told you that time. Okay.
Doctor, I want to ask you about the methods. Is it to solve, like, for example, the forces or?
Yes, any method you can use, no problem.
Because some questions are hard to solve with complete the rectangle or like the angle. So using component will be easier.
Yes, I understand. So you can solve any method you can, but I want correct answer.
Okay. Thank you, Doctor.
If the answer is not correct, you are going to lose your mark. Now, some student asked me the question. You see there, student should practice all example, right? It is written there, all example and fundamental question related to the problem shown in the lecture slide. So in the lecture slide, whatever we have, similar question, similar example, all example you practice, similar all fundamental you practice, and plus all the exercise. Okay, you practice. But again, this does not indicate. Do not indicate that exam and quiz will be exactly from here. I will give you a new question. Maybe I will make by myself. Okay. I will myself give you. If you read my message, Doctor, please answer me by chat if it is possible, because I have sound problem. Abdul Aziz. Okay, I will try, but I don't know that we can answer you all by writing. I will try. Thank you. Okay. So you have any question, Abdul Aziz? Muhammad Abdurrahman. Well, I cannot answer. This is the. I will try, but it's not possible to answer everyone by writing, right? Then I need the 2 or 3 hour lecture time. It is only 50-minute lecture time, right? There is no sound. You try to solve you access with your mobile or your laptop. Next time you try to solve your problem. Can you leave? Yes, of course you can leave. Class is finished here. You can leave. All right. But I'm asking if you have any question. Anyone has a question? If you don't have question, so I stop